Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Right now, I'm entering the old Capitolio of the province of Sorsogon. Ayan. Makita niyo po, napakaganda ng mga chandelier here. No? Yung lights. Ang ganda. Ayan. This is part of the old capital of the province of Sorsogon. Ayan. Ito po. Kita nyo, ayan. This is the provincial capital, the old one. Kasi yung may bago doon sa government site, ayan. Experience the exciting love of summer in beautiful Sorsogon. Ayan. Exciting Bicol travel, ayan po. Look, ito yung naka-picture here sa main entrance nitong old provincial capital, the beautiful tourist destination here in our province. Look, ayan, in see, surfing in Gubat, in the municipality of Gubat, residencia in the town of Bulan, and then St. Joseph Parish Church in my hometown, and then the Bulusan Volcano Natural Park, Kambal Busay Falls in Bulusan, Sorsogon. Ayan po. And here in the other side, you can see the beautiful tourist destination. One is the ancestral house in the town of Puban, and then the hot spring in Irusin, Sorsogon, and then Subic Beach in Matnog, and then mangrove forest in Pritogayas. Ayan. These are the places that you can visit if you come to the province of Sorsogon. The province of Sorsogon was created in 1894. Ayan po. Ayan. Okay. So here is the compound of this provincial government of Sorsogon. Ayan. Ayan, ang ganda. See here. Ayan. The provincial capital. Here. Ayan. Yung old building. That's the plaza. Naglalaro ng basketball yung mga bata. Mayroon ditong mga bench, no? Where you can sit and relax. Yan. Ayan po yung government of Sorsogon. The old Capitolio of Sorsogon. Ayan. Okay, nandoon naman yung museum. Ayan. The Provincial Museum ay medyo natatakpan ng mga puno. Nakita nyo po yung mga puno dito. Ang gaganda. Ayan. There, Ayan. Ayan. Hindi museum, gymnasium. May gymnasium ba? Guest and participants, 34th Annual National Convention. Yan. Here. The Sorsogon Provincial Gymnasium. Mayroon palang event. The 34th National Convention. Yan. Let's take a video here. Ayan. Here. Mga souvenir program. Mga souvenir items. Locally made. Locally made souvenir products here. Okay. And this is the map of the province of Sorsogon. Here, ayan. Okay? Here. Okay. Aha. You can see. Ayan. Aha. Mhm. Ah. Mhm. See, this is the beautiful province of Sorsogon. There. Okay. Oh.
Ada yang biasa ada side aja. Baka natawo. Wait, wala.
This is the ongoing 34th Annual National Convention of League of Local Planning and Development Coordinators pala ang event ngayon. Galing. There. Okay. Okay. Hope you will like this video of mine. Thank you and good morning.